In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a search filter in Jira. We will go through the full process of finding the search area, adding the filters you need and saving that filter so you can use it again later. This is really useful when you want to quickly narrow down work items based on specific conditions, instead of manually searching every time. To get started, open Jira once you are on the main screen. Look over to the left side menu and click on Filters. From there, select Search Work Items. This will open the main search view, where you can see all searchable work items and begin refining the results. At this point, you'll be in the search workspace. If you are seeing a broad list of items, that's normal. The next step is to add more specific conditions so Jira only shows the items you actually want to find. To do that, click on More Filters. This usually appears as a drop-down menu, and it gives you access to additional filter options beyond the basic search fields. Inside the More Filters menu, you can search through the available filter types and then click the check mark to add the ones you want to use. From the list, you can choose filters such as space or type, status, priority, parent, and progress. These options help you narrow results in different ways. For example, status can help you find items that are still open or already completed, while priority lets you focus on the most urgent work first. Parent can be helpful if you want to see items connected to a larger task, and progress can help you review how far along something is. As you add these filters, take a moment to review the list and make sure everything matches what you are trying to track. This is an important step because a well-built filter can save a lot of time later and make your Jira searches much more consistent. Once you are done setting up the filter conditions, click Save Filter. Jira will then ask you to enter a name and a description. Choose a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, and use the description to explain what the filter is meant for, especially if other people may use it too. After that, set the permissions for viewers and editors. This determines who can see the filter and who can make changes to it. So make sure those settings match how you want the filter to be shared. Finally, click Save to finish. And that's it. You've successfully created a search filter in Jira. Thanks for watching.